So, phase two. I ended up going to Lowe's and buying a kind of taller sort of edge. You know what it was? I didn't want to have it cut. That looks ugly. So, originally I was going to go all the way down, even do one strip. So, this is just the basic layout. Remember, all river rocks in here. I still have to also put down the weed barrier, clean this all out. There's still a lot left to do. I may even bring out the landscaping lights more to shoot up. I'm not sure yet. Got to see what I'm going to do. This here, I was really just trying to avoid getting the lawnmower anywhere near these lines for the air conditioner. So I kind of went this route because I was always afraid, even though I no longer have my lawn guys, I got rid of them. But in the future, you never know. I don't want to take a chance with that line. I was going to make it go all the way around it, but it really didn't look good. So I went with this look instead. I kind of think it should be flat there. But you know what? This tree is going to grow so much more. I doubt you'll even see most of this anymore. I don't know. I may straighten this part out. I got to see how it looks with the river rocks in here. And it still has to be, what do you call it too? It has to be put correctly. Lights have to be done again. You know, it's just like a little, if I had to put something on here temporarily, it'd be nice to have a generator on there because the box is over here too, but fortunately didn't hook this up at the time when I had the wall open, but I actually could. Now this is for the solar panels and everything else, kind of all hidden away under here, which is a nice thing. Everything is hidden, which I like. That's all the old stuff. My grass is really taking a beating, so right now I've been trying to really just make sure that the trees don't die and watering them heavily and stuff. I just figured, you know what, the grass will come back in September. What am I going to do? You know, it's end of July right now. 100 and something degree day, and right now it's almost 8 o'clock. It's still 90 degrees out here, and I just did this. The other thing, grass really doesn't grow here, as you can see, so I wanted to kind of slip it into this fake wall, and I'm going to cover this up. Got to spray that black again, this pipe that goes under there and gets rid of the water. So it's you know, coming along. It's funny, in spots where I think the grass wouldn't be doing well, it is, and vice versa. It's not doing well. So I don't know, you know, it's very bizarre. Actually, it's getting a little long, but not really looking to cut it that much because I'm trying to save it as much as possible. I got to bring this tree back down. It's just, you know, there's so many spots all the way over there, up there. There's a lot to do here. And for 8,000 square feet, not including the house on it, but it's so spread out, you know what I mean? Not saying I got millions of acres or anything like that, but everything that I've created here and everything that you see, I put in. There was no trees, none of this stuff. No grass here either, by the way. So I've created a monster, but when it will look good, it will look good. It's a fight every day. Hey, another day. Getting things accomplished. You see the sun line, it's about to hit, so I'm wrapping this up. This is what I did today. Put down the screening. Just still working this. And a lot of junk in there. Also was, you know, trimming inside the big evergreens here, just trying to make it nicer inside, more airflow, which supposedly they like. And the big thing is the air conditioner, because I wanted to do something here to prevent the lawnmower. So this is where I'm at. Nothing's touching, none of those rocks are touching. So just got to keep on doing it. But like I said, I try to work smarter, not harder. So I try to get out here early so I don't get killed off by the sun. But yeah, this has got to be done too still, but this is the shape I'm going with. And there, I think I'm going to buy a little soil. I see some kind of erosion under some of these. I'd like to kind of just fill it in, especially right here under here. It's better for the tree too. It needs more absorption here. And I think in the back I'd do things a little bit differently, especially on this one. I got some lines running here. I might put like a couple little pavers, even behind here, just some pavers, instead of rocking it the whole way. It is a lot to clean out, so I think I might get just smaller pavers behind a lot of these things. Could kind of keep it clean And even though you don't see it, I do in some weird shape or form. Under here too, probably throw a couple more pavers. I do have one there, a little bit of stuff. So that's where I'm at today.